Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of the Printable Junk Journal kit for August that's now available in the Junk Journal Printables Club. This month's kit is titled The Reclusive Botanist and features beautiful nature-themed pages, elements, embellishments and printable clip art in colours of powder blue, green and neutral shades. This year in the Junk Journal Printables Club, I'm offering 2 levels of membership. The basic membership is similar to previous years and includes 21 printable pages per month, which is 252 pages for the year. Included with the basic bundle each month is 6 double-sided junk journal pages, 8 papers, 6 pages of printable clip art and other elements and ephemera, and 1 page of story labels. This year I've also included an extra membership level called the Big Bundle, and this bundle includes 55 printable pages per month for a total of 660 pages for the year. The Big Bundle is perfect if you love to create big junk journals filled with beautiful and unique printable pages. Included with the Big Bundle each month is 16 double-sided junk journal pages, 20 papers, 18 pages of clip art and other elements and ephemera, and 1 page of story labels. Currently available for download is a whole series of beautiful junk journals with lots of different themes. This month's theme is titled The Reclusive Botanist, and each of the junk journal pages reflects a different aspect of the story. These printable pages are perfect for creating a nature-themed junk journal. You can use the prompts that are included with the kit to weave your own magical story throughout the pages of your journal. To use the pages, print them double-sided onto good quality copy paper or cardstock. Fold the pages in half and insert them into your junk journal. The clip art and other elements can be printed onto cardstock. If you're a current member of the Junk Journal Printables Club, I hope you enjoy all the beautiful printables that I've designed for you this month. If you're not yet a member, you can find a link to the Printables Club in the description below this video.